Welcome to Yola's European Kitchen. Today we are going to cook garlic shrimp in creamy red pepper sauce. Let's begin.
You will need the following ingredients: 1 pound of large shrimp, 3 tablespoons of butter, 6 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, 1 large red pepper, 1 small onion, 2 tablespoons canned diced tomatoes, 16 ounces of heavy cream, half tablespoons of sweet paprika powder, half tablespoon of hot paprika or hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a box of angel hair pasta.
Today I'm cooking dinner for two. I'm going to use shrimp, which I already cooked. They are deveined, tails off, and I'm using 1 pound of shrimp for 2 portions. First I have to press the garlic. I need to use it for marinade for my shrimp. So I'm going to cut the onion, which I'm going to use in the sauce. It's done. Let's cook! Right now I'm going to marinate shrimp in garlic butter sauce. We need 3 tablespoons of real butter, and garlic. We are not going to fry garlic. It has to be warm, and the butter is supposed to be dissolved. As you know, I'm using shrimp which were previously cooked. I bought them cooked, and I don't want to cook them anymore. I just want them to be warm. So I'm going to warm it up in the sauce I'm creating right now. I want them to be flavored by garlic butter. So just a little bit of heat, not too much. 1 more minute. And I'm going to put them aside before I cook the pasta and prepare red pepper sauce. It's time for red pepper sauce. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, onions, you have to fry them until golden brown. It's going to give more taste for the sauce. I'm going to cook onions and peppers together for a moment. I want to make them a little bit soft, so maybe I'll add a little bit of water. And now a pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper, let's cook them to the point the peppers are soft and tender. You can cover them, but it's not necessary. Now I'm going to add cubed tomatoes from the can. 2-3 tablespoons of tomatoes for taste. I also would like to add some sweet paprika, and it's going to add taste and color to the sauce. Heavy cream. I usually add around 16 ounces of heavy cream, but you can improvise, you can add more or less, it's up to you. You can add half and half instead of heavy cream. I love heavy cream, so heavy cream is the main ingredient in the sauce. A little bit of spicy Hungarian paste made of red peppers. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with hot sauce. It's up to you. And now we are going to leave the sauce covered to simmer for maybe 10 minutes. And now it's time to cook pasta. We are going to use angel hair, but you can cook the pasta you like. And the sauce is finally ready. Let me add shrimp. You have to be very careful dealing with shrimp. They don't like too much heat. So let's heat them up a little bit. And now we are ready to add pasta. And as a final touch, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And, of course, parsley. The only thing missing is a glass of Chardonnay. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe and ring the bell for future notifications.